Namaskar, my name is Yogilatin. I'm going to do a small flow for you today. This is an evening flow for you to settle down and to come into your calmness. And I'm going to start by oming first. Bring your hands to Namaste. Namaste means that I honor you and you honor me. Slightly tuck your chin into your chest. Create sacred space. Make your intention. Practice for others. Showing up is the key. Breathing is the key. Feeling is the key. Honoring yourself is the key. Just be. Come into a child pose. Walk your knees back, push your hips towards the back of your heels. Walk your palms to the top of your mat or stretch your arms all the way out and open your chest. Open your knees as wide as you can. Bring your feet together and draw your feet down. Push your hips back. Open your chest. Breathe in through the nose. Exhale, take a ha. Breathe in through the nose. Exhale, take a ha. One more. Breathe in through the nose. Exhale, take a ha. That feels so good. Bring your head back to center. Child pose is also good for opening the chest and expanding the diaphragm. It is also good for stretching out your lower back. Inhale, expand the belly as big as you can. Exhale, release. There's something about holding the poses versus moving from pose to pose. Feel the sensations in your body. Nice. Slowly come onto your elbows. Line your elbows up together and then interlace your palms and place your knuckles underneath your chin. Draw the shoulders away from the ears. Look up towards the ceiling. Take your eyes up towards the ceiling. Feel the compression in the middle of your back. Breathe in. Exhale. Stick the tongue out. Inhale. Exhale, stick the tongue out. Inhale. Exhale. Bring your forearms back down towards the mat. Tuck your chin into your chest. Begin to pull the navel in towards the spine and round your back. Stay here. Drop your hips towards your heels. Keep your spine round. Turn your head to the left shoulder. Turn your head to the opposite shoulder. Turn your head to the right shoulder for you guys at home. Turn your head to the left shoulder. Keep your shoulders away from the ears. Continue that movement back and forth on your own, using your inhales and exhales. This time, draw your chin towards your right shoulder. Pick up your left palm and reach for your right ear. Keep your chin into the right shoulder. Slowly draw your left ear downward towards the floor. Take a stretch. Switch. Pick up your left palm, right palm, sorry. Reach for your left ear. Draw your chin into your left shoulder. Stretch out the neck. Good. Come out. Inhale, look up towards the ceiling or sky. Exhale, tuck your chin into your chest. Inhale, look up towards the ceiling or sky. And exhale, tuck your chin back into your chest. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Don't forget to smile. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. You can do this also in a chair. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Now take your spine with it. Inhale up, stick the buttocks out, buttocks lift. Exhale, tuck the chin in, pull the navel in. Inhale, look up, stick the buttocks out. Exhale, tuck the chin in, round the spine. Inhale, look up. Exhale, round. Inhale, look up. Exhale, round. One more. Look up. Exhale, round. Good, nice. Come back to center. Go ahead and walk your knees together. Again, so on Tuesday, you had an option to sit on your heels, right? And some of you had an option to sit down on your buttocks. All right? So we started like this with the knees bent, right? And we opened up our chest towards the ceiling or sky. And then we tucked our chin into our chest. So remember, you can also be here. Look up. Exhale. Look up. Exhale. Keep going. Inhale, look up. Exhale. Look up. Exhale. Look up. Exhale. So if you're a beginner, bring your hands to the floor and you can push the floor away and really open up your chest. Right? So use the floor. Beginners are here. Up and down. Up and down. Okay, if you're intermediate, you're going to hug on, take your forearms and hug those knees and take the same movement. Right? Back and forth. But if you can sit on your heels, you're going to swing those feet back and do the same movement. Right? So it's all the same thing. And what I'm doing is showing you many different modifications because we think yoga is for the flexible. Yoga is for the skinny, and that's not what it's for. Yoga is for a human body to move. And the verification and confirmation that the body is made to move is because when you wake up in the morning, the first thing your body wants to do is stretch and breathe in inhalation, okay, and exhalation. All right, so that's a confirmation that yoga wasn't made up. It was the body doing what it needs to do in the morning on its own. All right, so say you can't get on the mat. So you have a chair. Same thing. Here's your chair, right? You can sit down in the chair. Make sure your knees are right over your ankles. You can lean back into the chair if you need support, right? Same thing. Inhale, look up. Exhale, tuck the chin into the chest. Inhale, look up. Exhale. These movements are good for, you've had a long day, your neck might be tight, your back may be compressed, meaning that you have aches and pains in your back. This movement alone is just enough to inhale. Always open the chest when you inhale. On the exhale, you close the body, right? And you can get a little funky. Tuesday, we had our arms out, and then we put our elbows back. See how the movement becomes really clean, and then you start to open up the lungs, and then you work the shoulders. So you can do that same thing on the mat, right? Back and forth. So that's your yoga teasers for today. Look at the Tuesday one. We did it where we're on the mat. We just open our chest back and forth. I did a long intro, but today just want you to see what it's like to open the chest. These are very simple movements by using your inhalations and your exhalations, allowing the lungs and allowing the back muscles to rub back and forth between each other. It's like they're massaging each other. All right, very simple things. You can do this driving. Inhale, drive. Exhale. You notice I can go to a slant, right? You go to the side. You can play around, all those different things. All right, so use your body. Move your body. If you want to know why diseases and why all these different things are happening in your body and why your body feels like it's webbing up, well, your fascia or your fascia or your fascio, however you like to say it, is webbing up and it's sticky. It also wants breath and it also wants movement. Your body is made to move. So this fall and this winter, we are here to move our bodies. No matter where you're at, move your bodies. My name is Yogilatin. You can find me on YouTube, Instagram, and also Facebook if you're already here. And then I will always take this video and bring it into my actual personal account, which is Latina Latin Caldwell. Any other previous videos that you want to see earlier this year during COVID-19, I have probably about 20-something videos. So you can start all the way back there and get some sneak peeks and kind of see the flow and see how I move. And then also I want you to know, if you're not doing anything during December, I'm having a retreat with Brothers Zatari Seals. That is December 4th through the 6th. And what we're going to do is we're going to allow you to learn how to move your body and also complete whatever your desires are. So again, you can't just be moving around, going to work and making all your money and creating your ideas and you're not moving your body, because what happens as you get older, the body wears out. And the whole point of yoga is connecting